When was the last time Ben was out here?
He said it was about 3.5 years ago.
Sure.
He said he had started the software deal that was supposed to remind him to come back every 2 years.
Yeah.
And then he said software failed him.
Sure.
And my neighbor had his back up, next door neighbor. And I'm like, oh shit.
Right.
He hasn't been out there in a while, and I couldn't remember how long it was. So he's been out here, this will be the third time you guys have been out here. For preventive maintenance. And I stumbled into him through Cope's.
Through who?
Cope's barbershop.
Oh, yeah. You guys go to the same barbershop.
I don't go there anymore. I went there for years.
Oh. He still goes there.
Takes too long. So how'd you run into Benny?
Craigslist, actually.
Yeah.
I was doing landscaping and I put a Craigslist post up in the winter because I was just out of work. And I was like, oh, I thought I'll give it, you know, a try. Here's the 4x6 right here.
What's the purpose of a 4x6?
Well, it's just where the 4-inch goes to the 6-inch.
Oh, once it gets closer to the street.
So once it gets closer to the street, it gets, it goes to 6-inch. Why they put in 4-inch, I don't know why they didn't put 6-inch in when they, because this is transite pipe. I don't know why they wouldn't, maybe they didn't even make 6-inch transite or something like that.
Right.
So there's 70, let's call it 79 and 110. So that's 31 feet of 6-inch pipe.
Right.
So we'll clean that up. And if there's anything notable, I'll throw the camera back in I'll have the camera back in and I'll just take a photo of it.
Right.
You know, just so we have it. But it's probably just, there's probably just roots in it. So what happens is, since the 4-inch is smaller than 6-inch, obviously, the roots kind of get in through that sleeve, because they're just kind of sleeved together. They're not coupled.
Yeah, they're just linked together.
Yeah, and so that's how the roots get in for that. It's pretty normal, but... So yeah, this is all transite pipe, I think. Looks like transite's kind of like, it was big in the 60s, post-war, with the sprawl they put it in. And it's like fiberglass, kind of.
Oh, it's not clay?
This isn't clay, no. See, you can tell by the joints,
Oh.
and then also by like the color. So it's like kind of white.
Yeah, it was because my wife grew up a block and a half away from here.
Yeah.
And everything went from septic to city in the early 70s.
Sure. So yeah, they probably put it in the 70s. Let's let that drain out a little bit. It's really weird.
Huh.
It was all weird. So yeah, there's no clean out here.
Right. So you say you're a sub for Benny right now?
Yeah.
Right.
It might be a clean out. I doubt it though. Nope. Yeah, but that's gonna change soon. He's gonna buy the van. I'll be an employee. I won't be a partner. Which is fine. He's being really open about, you know, when the business expands, and that's when, you know, when the money starts coming in. After getting completely set up with the digging, like we're gonna try and do digging. Like that's why I have those pump jacks for the trench. And so that's kind of like the next big step. And just like keep going with the lining, and then once all that's said and done in a year, then we'll kind of look at how this year went for the business, and you know. So I'll be a salaried employee, which is never been a salaried employee, so that'll be different.
I've been self-employed since 2003. I was on salary. The last job I had. I really liked that job, but it's still, when I did restaurant management years and years and years ago, that was always salaried. Now we got the short end of the stick on that.
Sure. Do you know where this sewer, does it go out that way?
Yeah. I don't know how straight or angled it goes, but
Yeah, I don't know what Ben will say. Maybe, I thought it might have went that way. So,
I think it angles a little bit.
Either way.
Because it wouldn't, it'd have to go out because they didn't trench up the whole floor to put the city line in.
Sure.